Hi, I am Nikhil Lilani, founder and CEO of Monkey Ninja, a digital marketing agency which helps businesses grow with creative strategies. My journey towards building this company started at Vivekanand Business School VBS. During my PGDM in marketing at VBS, I discovered my passion for marketing, gained practical skills, and built the confidence to bring my ideas to life. VBS wasn't just about learning, it was about preparing for the real world. The faculty helped us understand how to turn marketing theories into practical solutions for real businesses. Learning wasn't limited to the classroom. I gained practical knowledge through additional certification course. One of the key highlights was earning a certification in digital marketing, which enhanced my understanding of industry trends and provided me with the latest tools to excel in the field. Every day at VBS brought new challenges and growth. Discussions on consumer behavior, live projects, and debates on marketing trends sharpened my problem solving and critical thinking skills. Graduating from VBS wasn't just about earning a degree, it prepared me to step into the professional world with confidence. The skill and certification I gained laid the foundation for Monkey Ninja, where we combine the traditional marketing insights with digital strategies. Today, we work with companies in different sectors to grow their brands and achieve success. The skills I gained at VBS, especially the digital marketing certification, gave me boost in this constantly changing industry. VBS is not just about earning a degree, it's where ideas grow, skills improve, and careers take off. Thank you, VBS, for giving me the knowledge, skills, and confidence to follow my dreams in marketing.